Hi, I'm Lerie. I go to Boca Beauty Academy and I'm a Cosmo student. So I've tried different professions. I tried nursing and business, and none of them really made me as excited as hair school. So once I started getting into it and actually learning all the different ways to do hair, it really made me excited. And then I also looked into other schools and Paul Mitchell, for example, their hours were a lot longer and they didn't really fit perfectly in my schedule. So I knew Boca was right. My favorite part of cosmetology school is hair color and finding the right formulas to get the perfect hair color. My hair color itself took a really long time, but I'm a 7cc and a 7N. So I picked this school because one, we had a very knowledgeable Bob. And the hours here were 9 to 3 or 6 to 10, and 6 to 10 at the time worked the best for me. I would recommend Boca Beauty because the biggest thing for me was flexibility. There's a lot of people who have morning jobs or night jobs and they can't really fit it in. But here, it doesn't matter if you work in the morning or at night, they have the right time slot for you.